this is Dimanshi Jaswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. We are a real estate firm and on this channel, you will find overview of projects from different cities so that you can hunt your dream home virtually. Well, in today's video, we are gonna cover projects by VTP Realty and we are here in Kharadi. So it's gonna be very exciting video since we have so many options available here. Without further any delay, let's start the video. This is a township with a land parcel of around 150 acres, out of which VTP has the biggest land parcel. They have launched 7 projects in this township, out of which 3 are already sold out. So we are not going to focus on that. We'll be focusing on the 4 projects that have the inventories left. Before talking about the specific projects, let me tell you something about the township. So basically over here inside the township, we will have everything. This will be managed by Solitaire Group. And if I talk about the things that we'll have over here, that includes bus station, we'll have fire station, police station, along with it we'll have healthcare centers, schools, multi-tier security system, and there will be 6 huge sports academy. That includes horse riding academy, tennis academy, swimming academy, football academy, badminton academy and cricket academy. And the biggest USP about this township will be the IT hub that is currently under construction right at the entrance of the township. Once the IT hub is completed, it will serve employment to 80,000 people. That is huge, and that's when this area will have the highest demand. And since so many developers are coming together to develop this township, we can understand how fast it will grow. We have Godrej over here, Mahindra, VTP, Kohinoor and Gera too. We have already covered projects from Mahindra and Kohinoor. You can go and check it out over here. If I talk about connectivity, we have Gera Commerce Zone within 10 minutes. Proposed Eon Metro Station will be in 13 minutes. Global High Street will be in 5 minutes. Wellington College will be in 2 minutes. And Shri Hospital will be in 13 minutes. In the center of this township, there is a reserved land parcel specifically for forestation that will make sure here we have sustainable development. Now let's talk about the projects of VTP that they are coming up with. On your screen, you have the master plan of VTP Flamante. The land parcel of this project is 6 acres. We have 6 towers with 3 different configurations, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. There are duplexes available as well. If I talk about the elevation, we have 4 levels of parking and 33 story of building. This is the master plan of VTP Dolce Vita. The land parcel of this project is 9 acres. We have 9 towers and the total number of units over here is 1600. Configurations are 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and again duplexes are available. The elevation of this project will be 3 levels of parking and 32 stories. Here's the floor plan of Euphoria. The land parcel of this project is also 9 acres and we have 2000 plus flats available. We have 10 towers over here with the configurations of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and duplexes. If I talk about the elevation, that is 3 levels of parking plus 30-story building. There's also an availability of villas in this township. We have VTP Velvet Villas. You have the master plan of VTP Velvet Villas on your screen. The land parcel of this project is approx 5 acres. We have a total number of 43 villas with 2 different configurations, 3.5 PHKs and 5.5 PHKs. Here we are in an already sold out project by VTP Realty, that is VTP Beaumont. This is also inside the township only. And over here you can see how they deliver and the quality of their construction and get an idea about how they will deliver the rest of their projects. On your screen you have the price sheet for Flamante, where the smallest size for 2 BHK apartment is 762 square feet within a starting price of 92 lakhs, and that goes up to 4 BHK duplex with a carpet area of 1696 square feet, starting price of 2.13 crore. This is the price sheet for VTP Dolce Vita. The smallest carpet area of 2 BHK is 756 square feet and the starting price for that will be 85 lakhs. That goes up to 3 BHK apartment with the carpet area of 1457 square feet and the starting price will be 1 crore 67 lakhs. This is the price sheet for VTP Euphoria. The starting carpet area for 2 BHK apartment here is 630 square feet. Starting price will be 72 lakhs and that goes up to 3 BHK apartment with a carpet area of 1230 square feet with a starting price of 1 crore 48 lakhs. This township can be a great opportunity for investment as well as it can be a great opportunity for people who want to actually live here, that means the end users. And since VTP Realty has so many different options, you have the availability to choose from. That was all for today's video. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys. Whatever you need, we have the availability of that in VTP Realty. So if you are interested in any of the projects, you can contact on the given number on the screen, or you can connect us to the link given in the description box below. And yeah, if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you like to see more such informative videos, or if you are interested to invest in real estate, or you in generally have an interest in real estate, you can subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.